You sound better in my memories, like a song I used to need. No static, no broken lines, just perfect in rewind. But real life wasn't that clean. You were somewhere in between. Everything I hoped you'd be, and everything you did to me. I rewrite you in my mind every single time. You sound better in my memories, like you never hurt me, like you never walked away. You sound better in my memories, like we had a destiny, like you were meant to stay. You sound better in my memories, but that's not who you were to me. I keep the version that was kind, leave the truth I couldn't find. It's easier to play pretend than face how this would end. I made you into something rare, something you were never there. Now I'm stuck inside a dream, that's not what it seemed. I keep painting over cracks till I forget the facts. You sound better in my memories, like you never hurt me, like you never walked away. You sound better in my memories, like we had a destiny, like you were meant to stay. You sound better in my memories, but that's not who you were to me. Maybe I love the idea of you more than anything you'd actually do. Maybe I built something in my head that only existed in what you said. You sound better in my memories, but I'm finally starting to see the truth behind the sound. You